You admit kanina when Congressman Pimentel was asking you na sinamahan niyo ang isang POGO executive kay PAGCOR Chairman Altenco. Am I right?
Hindi po, kasi ang pagkakakilala ko, hindi po POGO executive si
Okay.
Cassie Ong. Siya po ay taga Whirlwind. Siya
Alright.
po ay nagpapaupa at service provider nga po sa isang POGO licensee.
So, hindi niyo pa alam, hindi niyo pa alam at that time.
Alam ko po, kasi matagal ko nang kakilala, isang taon ko na rin kakilala po ang Whirlwind dahil kino-convince ko nga po sila na mag-invest sa isang renewable energy project.
So, hindi niyo sinamahan, sino yun? Ano pangalan nun?
Cassie.
Cassandra Ong. Hindi niyo sinamahan because of POGO.
Mr. Chairman, we'll show the document to just for confirmation.
Sublease, yes. Representative lang naman po, pero hindi shareholder. Tama. Ay, tingnan ko po. Hindi ko po babasahin yun. Yes po.
Okay. Now, so, eto po, you signed for and behalf of Lucky South. Tama.
Yes po.
That was the first
As-
contract. Okay. But in the second agreement, you signed for and behalf of Whirlwind. And Lucky South was represented by Ms. Baterna. So in short, Mr. Chairman, I just want to establish that former Secretary Harry Roque is lying. Now, Mr. Chairman, let me proceed with Ms. Mascareñas. Ms.
Yes, Mr.
Mascareñas, kilala mo ba yung Michael Mascareñas?
Kapatid ko po.
Brother, younger
Yes po.
brother?
Yes po.
Yung Josefina Mascareñas,
Mother ko po.
mother mo. So why they're involved in Lucky South 999 and Whirlwind Corporation?
Paulit.
Bakit pumasok sila na involved sila sa Whirlwind at saka sa Lucky South? Because Michael Mascareñas, your brother, as you mentioned, nasa Lucky South 999.
Yes po.
Whirlwind naman yung nanay mo.
Mm.
Tapos ikaw, nasa Lucky South, at the same time, nasa Whirlwind Corporation.
Mm.
Why?
Like I said po, ako po kasi yung at the time kausap ni Mr. U. So, gusto niya magtayo ng ganitong business. And at the time po, hindi ko rin alam yung Pogo. Wala akong idea. Ang alam ko lang, table games, baccarat. Kasi galing din po ako sa casino before. So, may idea po ako sa ganyan. Anyway, syempre po kapag magtatayo ka ng corporation, kailangan ng kasama. Then at the time, inoffer niya po ng parang commission or parang bonus, ganon, pag nag-operate na po yung company. Pero
To cut
wala
you short,
pong-
to cut you short. Hindi mo kasi sinasagot yung tanong ko, Ms. Mascareñas. Ang tanong ko po, bakit pumasok yung kapatid mo sa Lucky South 99
Ako
at
po,
saka
ano
yung
po,
nanay mo na sa Whirlwind?
inano ko po sila. Kinonvince na, tara, ganun, pangalan ko sa inyo to, ganyan, para mabuo na yung 5, para hindi na rin sasakit ang ulo ko.
The
sa
same
ibang
as in
tao.
the case of De La Serna, doon sa Biancham, para mabuo lang yung korporasyon.
Yes po.
O magkano ang offer sa kapatid mo at saka sa nanay mo? Sa'yo siguro mas malaki kasi you're in the Lucky South at the same time sa Whirlwind ka rin.
How I wish po malaki yung offer, no? Pero yung, like I said po, nag-start po ako 30,000, tapos nung nag-ano na po ako ng, ng una Whirlwind, tinasan lang po ako ng 50,000 na offer na salary after, I think, 18 days. Tapos, yung kapatid ko po, wala silang offer talaga since wala pa pong, wala pang operation. Then, para lang mag-sahod yung kapatid ko, kinuha ko po siya as parang staff sa admin, HR, nakasama ko.
Magkano sahod niya?
15,000 or 20,000.
Mother
Nasa
mo?
ganun po. Wala po.
Okay. So, para mabuo lang yung korporasyon, ikaw at saka yung kapatid mo at saka nanay mo, pumasok sa Whirlwind at saka sa Lucky South. Tama?
Yes po.
Okay. Sinong kausap mo sa Lucky South?
Mr. Wu po.
Sa Whirlwind?
Mr. Wu po. Siya
Oh.
lang naman po kausap ko.
Mr. Chairman, now it is through the testimony of Stephanie Mascareñas, tama?
Yes po.
Malinaw po, Mr. Chairman, na yung Whirlwind at saka Lucky South ay isa. Because it's the one Ren Wo.
Yes,
Tama.
Mr. Chair. Yes.
Siya yung kausap niya sa Whirlwind, siya rin ang kausap sa Lucky South.
Yes,
But
Mr. Chair.
the name of Mr. Wo did not appear dun sa Lucky South.
Yes po. Siya rin po kasi nagde-decide if masasama yung pangalan niya or hindi, like that.
So, now, inaamin mo na yung Whirlwind at saka Lucky South, isa lang po ito.
Like previous sinabi ko naman, isa lang po yung boss na kausap ko.
Hindi, as a corporation, yung dalawa, isa lang to.
Wait lang pa, kasi hindi ko po alam kung anong by
Hindi,
means as iisa.
Di ba ang kumausap sa iyo is same
Mr.
person
Wu po.
sa Whirlwind at saka sa
Yes,
Lucky South?
yes,
O
yes,
di,
Mr. Chair.
ano lang yun? At the very least, siguro magkakonekta.
Yes
Okay?
po.
Safe siguro yun, safe.
Yung Whirlwind po kasi parang as realty, then itong Lucky South as outsourcing.
Pogo.
Siguro po, ganun po.
Sa Pogo.
Like I said po, wala pong masyadong idea sa Pogo. at-
Anyway. Nung nasa Lucky South ka at saka sa Whirlwind, nandun na rin ba si Miss Cassandra Ong?
Yes po. Although hindi ko po sure kung anong month.
Sorry?
Hindi ko po sure anong month siya dumating kasi matagal na po yun.
So, mas nauna ka?
2019. Po?
Mas nauna ka kaysa kanya?
Yes po, mas nauna po
Okay.
ako.
Now, I have with me the two sublease agreement. Natandaan mo ba to? Yung dalawang sublease agreement between Whirlwind and Lucky South.
Apo.
Tandaan mo? Natandaan mo?
I think po.
Okay. Natandaan mo rin na twice ka pumirma. One signature in the first sublease, then second signature in the second sublease.
If notarized po siya sa law office ni Attorney Medina.
Yeah, Attorney Medina is present. Attorney Medina, please take your seat. Okay, the first contract with me is dated November 5. Miss Mascareñas, you signed for on behalf of Whirlwind. Tama?
If it's what the paper says
Yeah.
po.
Okay. And for on behalf of Lucky South, it is Cassandra Ong who signed.
Hindi ko na po masyado maalala.
Miss Cassandra Ong, do you confirm that you signed a sublease agreement representing Lucky South 999?
If sa akin po yung firma, yes.
Para confirmation lang po. Sec, please. Mr. Chairman, we will show the document to, just for confirmation.
Okay, page.
Sublease, yes. Representative lang naman po, pero hindi shareholder. Tama. Ay, tignan ko lang po. Hindi ko na po babasahin ngayon po. Yes po.
Okay. Now, so, eto po, you signed for on behalf of Lucky South. Tama.
Yes po.
That was the first
As-
contract. Okay. Now, the second contract, Miss Mascareñas, na wala pong pangalan mo dito.
Saan po? Sa Whirlwind po or Lucky South?
Both.
Baka wala na po ako that time. Pero ang pinirmahan ko lang po kasi na
When was the
transfer.
time that you left Lucky South or Whirlwind?
December 30, 2019.
Oh, tama. Because this sublease agreement was signed February 2021.
Ay, wala na.
So wala ka na doon.
Wala na po.
Correct. But in this document, Ms. Cassandra Ong, please take note that in the first sublease agreement, you signed for on behalf of Lucky South, but in the second agreement, you signed for on behalf of Whirlwind. And Lucky South was represented by Ms. Baterna. So in short, Mr. Chairman, I just want to establish that former Secretary Harry Roque is lying because he insisted that you are not part of the Whirlwind.
Pwede po ako mag-explain, Mr. Chair?
You don't want to see the document, the second sublease contract, for
Alam
you
ko
to
po
confirm? You want to see it?
Alam
Or you
ko na-
confirm na?
Confirm na po.
Ms. Materna, do you confirm that you signed the sublease agreement for on behalf of Lucky South 999? Yung second sublease agreement, ikaw na pong pumirma dito?
Hindi ko po nakita. Mr.
Okay.
Chair.
Mr. Chair, pwede po ako mag-explain regarding sa...
At sandali po, ipa-confirm ko muna
Okay.
then
Pasensya na po.
the chair will let you explain.
Salamat po.
So, Ms. Materna, you confirm?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Now, Ms. Kasiong, please.
Pwede pa ulit po yung sinabi nyo kanina.
Sorry.
Pwede pa ulit po yung sinabi nyo kanina regarding kay...
Ganito po kasi,
Opo.
the first sublease contract, you signed the sublease contract representing Lucky South 999. But in the second contract, you represent na the Whirlwind. And the name of Mascareñas, dahil wala na nga siya doon, was signed by Baterna.
Tama po yan, pero hindi po ako shareholder ng Lucky South.
No, but you represent.
Yes
But you
po.
confirm.
Yes.
Di ba? What I'm saying is, ganito po, Miss Kasiong, Miss Ong, kasi it only proved that Whirlwind and Lucky South is one and the same. Kasi po, dito sa first sublease, you signed for on behalf of the Lucky South 999. And then in the second sublease, you signed for on behalf of Whirlwind.
Can
Na
I
yun
explain
yung, sandali, na yun yung, just for the record, Mr. Chairman, and you check the minutes, that was the argument being insisted by former Secretary Harry Roque, that Baterna, that Kasiong, wala sa Whirlwind. Yes, Kasiong, do you want to explain?
Yes po.
So in short,
Regarding the two company po, can I explain it po?
go.
Okay lang po. Kung hindi po, regarding sa two company po, Lucky South noon is sa amin po. And Whirlwind. But nauna po i-registered ang Lucky South. Tapos sumunod ang Whirlwind po. Yung time na yun,
So nauna yung Lucky South to be registered kaysa Whirlwind.
yes po.
But the contract, sublease contract, between the Cruz family, allegedly, the lease contract, but of course, the Cruz family denied that there is such thing as the lease contract, di ba? Kaya nga may kaso. Tama?
Opo, regarding naman sa lease contract po, kapirmahan po namin o kakontrata po namin si Mr. Cruz.
Yeah, yung tatay.
Opo.
I know. Now, but of course, may problema doon sa dokumento. Kasi your lease contract was based on the board reso, di ba? Giving authority to the father, kay Roberto Cruz.
Pwede ko po makita yung documents na po na yan. I'm not sure po eh.
But it was denied. Finorge yung mga perma doon ng mga anak ni Roberto Cruz. Because
Sa lease contract o contract to sell po?
Hindi, yung contract to sell that was being claimed by the heirs, yung mga anak. But yung lease contract, which was where Whirlwind stands and Mr. Roberto Cruz was denied by the children.
Hindi po ako sure regarding dyan.
Oh, but anyway, so nauna yung Lucky South, then Whirlwind.
Yes po. Pero nabenta na po, na-i-transfer na si Lucky South sa other people na po. Last year, 2023, around September, kung hindi po ako nagkakamali.
Na-transfer na noong 2023.
Tama po.
But the sublease that we're talking in which you signed for Whirlwind and Lucky South, ito yung mga original documents eh.
Yes po.
Yeah, we're talking here, we're just establishing, Miss Cassandra Ong, that yung Whirlwind at saka Lucky South, isa lang to. The same people. Tama?
Noong una po, yes po.
So you confirm?
Yes po,
Also,
noong
when
una.
was the time that you met Harry Roque? When was the time?
We met Harry Roque po.
Yes. Yes.
I think around 2022, after election, nung naging private citizen na po siya.
Yung first meeting nyo, anong pinag-usapan nyo?
Hindi ko na po masyadong...
Paano, hindi mo matandaan?
I-recall ko lang.
Oo. Paano mo nakilala si Harry Roque?
Pinakilala siya from Singaporean friend po sa amin.
Sinong Singaporean friend na yun?
Hindi ko po kilala. Kaibigan po siya ng ninong ko, si Mr. Wu. Mr. Duaran Wu.
So, a
Kaibigan
Singaporean
po siya.
friend of Mr. Wu introduced Harry Roque.
Pwede pa ulit po?
Yung Singaporean friend ni Mr. Wu ang nag-introduce kay Harry Roque?
Tama po.
O, so, common friend nila yung Singaporean.
Yes po, kung hindi
Okay.
po nagkakamali.
So, first meeting nandun ka.
Opo.
Anong pinag-usapan?
Nagpakilala lang po, casual dinner.
Tapos,
Wala na po.
the following, after nung first meeting nyo, may second meeting pa kayo? Nagkita pa ulit kayo?
Wala na po.
Wala na?
After ng first meeting, madalang na lang po kaming... To be exact is hindi po kami nag-uusap after first meeting.
Hindi, sinamahan ka pa nga sa
Yes
pagpor eh.
po. Ito, ina-explain ko po. Please give me time to explain po, Mr. Chair. Yeah. After nung first meeting, hindi po na masyadong nagkakaano. Nagkausap lang regarding, nagpatulong lang po.
Nagpatulong ka.
Opo.
But, eto po, Cassandra.
Yes po.
During the first meeting, nandun ka mismo sa meeting with the Singaporean friend and Mr. Wo.
Tama po.
Siyempre, kung nandun ka, narinig mo kung anong pinag-usapan.
Simpleng pakilala lang po. Simpleng casual
So, wala
din.
kayong pinag-usapan? Wala silang pinag-usapan?
Wala po.
And after that,
Kung
is
hindi po
Harry
ako
Roque,
nagkakamali, regarding po sa solar po ang... Sa solar po yata?
sa solar,
Opo.
nag-materialize ba yung solar na yun?
Ngayon ko lang po naalala. Like what I said po, medyo nakalimutan ko na yung pangyayari kanina. Kahit
Napapanood mo bang hearing dito? Habang nag-hearing?
kailan po?
The other day, on the second hearing, napapanood mo ba?
The whole hearing po, hindi po. Pero may mga news po yata.
Anyway,
But not exact.
magkaalaman tayo pag nandito na si Harry Roque. But Mr. Chairman, again, I just like to manifest that itong whirlwind from the very start sa Lucky South is one and the same. Pareho po lahat, pati mga investors, no? Tapos paggamit ng mga tao.